Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a character on InZOI. So once you have launched the game, you will see this pop up and you want to go to Character Studio. From here you can choose a gender and you can choose age group like a child, teenager, young adult, adult, middle-aged or senior. Here you can choose ZOI presets, so you can actually choose a person and just select it and then edit it a little bit, or you can create everything from scratch. For example, let's choose this one now. Now you want to go to the face, and as you can see, you can edit every single detail you want. You can make the cheeks bigger and brighter once you click on this. As you can see, you can edit everything. You can change the nose if you want to. And basically edit every single detail you want. Also, you can choose face presets too. This is basic editing, and you can also choose detailed one, which adds more dots, as you can see, and you can edit even more. Now there's body one, where you can choose which body you want. As you can see, here it is. And now there is a body shape. So we can, as you can see, add some muscle, add body weight, and so on and so forth. Now on the outfit, you can also choose outfit presets and just click apply, or you can choose separately, just like so. And here are some also made for you, which you can actually choose. Click apply, and here's your outfit. Now from here, as you can see, again, as in Sims 4, you can choose formal, sleepwear, and so on and so forth. So you can basically do and change all of those. Now again, you're going to go to accessories, and you can add any accessories you like. But as you can see, everything is really detailed here. Now, once you go to craft, you can go ahead and, for example, click right there and change the top only. And, for example, add some sleeves, remove the, as you can see, it's really detailed right there. Now you can choose the bottom and do the same for the bottom. And basically for every single piece right there. And that's pretty much it. After that, click complete. So basically the face is really detailed and you can treat it however you like. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.